think this is the 5th time all up that Good morning guys. Today I am going to post off some of my collection to Sydney, so I need to get that prepared right now. But yeah, I got contacted by a stylist and I'm just sending my garments to her because she wants to use them for a photo shoot. This is my 2nd time sending my collection off. I think it's like good to collaborate with other people to get your name out there and get exposure, I guess. And I also received my MacBook yesterday, but I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do it on camera, so I'm going to do that after I come back from the post office. This is my 2nd time sending off my garments to a stylist for like a collaboration because I'm not getting money out of it or anything. I'm spending money to send the clothes off, but I figured that it's good exposure for me and my brand. But I've been trying to like pick and choose who I send my collection off to, just because if you like send to everybody, there's a chance of you losing things and also just the garments getting worn out without you getting the result you want. So, and these are the garments I'm sending off. I'm just sending off my airbag top, my panel pants, and then my car seat and like jacket pants set. I'm trying to find a box or like a way to send it right now because I don't want to pay for a box. I managed to just find this bag, which I'm just reusing from a parcel that I received. So yeah, I just have to put the address on and send it. Okay, just finished posting the parcel. I was just going to add to what I was saying before. You need to be picky, I feel, with who you send your things to, because sometimes they won't even give you your photos. I think this is the 5th time all up that I'm lending my clothes to a stylist, and I've only had one, which was my friend, who has given me the photos of the shoot, and then the rest are still either I'm waiting for it or they're just no photos. Yeah, so make sure you're sending it to people where you can have like a mutually beneficial like collaboration. That's what I was just trying to say before. Just make sure you guys have good communication. Also, another thing I forgot to mention, make sure you take photos of your garments before you send them off or lend them to people, because if they get them damaged and you don't have photos for it, they can basically argue that the garment was already damaged or had certain marks on it. So I haven't had that happen to me yet, which is great. Also, I just wanted to quickly update you guys on, I guess, my life. Please excuse the aircon, it's really hot. I'm not going to turn that off, but it might make sound in the background. I know I haven't been very consistent with my uploads at all, and it has been hard too because I've been trying to juggle my internship. I mean, it's only one day, but I'm juggling my internship, my part-time job, and also my social life. And my computer screen was also broken, and so it really just lengthened the amount of time that I would have to spend editing because my screen would crash so many times. So then I kind of got sick of editing. But I have a new MacBook which I am going to go home and unbox, so hopefully my editing will be a lot faster and more productive since I won't have a crashing screen. And last week was my final week of my internship. I only did it for around 2 months. I decided to leave because I felt that I had learned everything that I could, and it got to a point where they were teaching me the same things every week. In an email I asked for a list of things that I wanted to learn, and I felt that only 10% of it was what I was getting. But another reason why I decided to leave was also because the company that I intern for is fast fashion, and that is really not somewhere I want to go down the path of. So I didn't really see a future with that company in general, and the style is also not my style. In many aspects, it was a good eye-opening experience for me to realize what I don't want to do and what I want to do. I think I'm done with my little ramble now. That was a whole lot of words. I am not articulate, so hopefully my thoughts have reached you in the way that I wanted it to. I am going to go home now, have some breakfast. Okay guys, so I just cleaned my room and it's really hot, so I took my jumper off. But for those of you who've seen my room before know that I had a bunch of shoe boxes on one side of my room. I decided to get rid of them, but I'm still keeping some in my wardrobe, so I've just like moved things around. So here we go. Wow, I have not seen that part of my wall for a while. I just decided to clean it because my friends and my family were complaining about how messy my room looked, and to be honest, it did look pretty messy sometimes in the background, so I thought I would just get rid of that as a whole. I honestly do want to do a full room makeover, but yeah, that'll be a later thing. I just have too much stuff. I need to like declutter my room first, my clothes, before I try to transform it or anything. Okay guys, so it's MacBook unboxing time. I have been waiting for a little bit over a month to receive this. I probably could have waited for the new MX13 MacBook series, but I was in dire need of a new laptop because my current one, the screen is like busted because I brought the laptop to the bathroom while I was removing my makeup and I dropped my makeup remover on the computer, so it like took out part of the screen. So this one's basically the same one that I have, except it has a lot more space on it. I'm not gonna take that. Oh my gosh, that scared me. No, I'll just take it off. Okay, so my laptop is in its new case. Great. I feel less anxious to use it now.
To use Australian English as the main language, press the return key.
Let me show you what was up with my old laptop. So I have like these keys that just like disappear. Is that just me? Or does that happen to everyone? That's what happened to my screen. So it just gets in the way of me doing work. I'm just gonna order a keyboard cover and do more editing. And yeah, that's all I'm doing. I have a pretty chill day planned out, but I do have a lot of things planned. Don't think I'm going to get through all of it, but yeah, I'm going to quickly duck out and grab a clothing rail, like a very small one, so that I can just hang my grad collection on, because it's still on my staircase, and yeah, I keep putting it off and I need to stop putting it off. And once I get back home, I'm going to iron my grad collection, ready for my video to be filmed. I'm just in my workout clothes because it's very hot today. I just don't want to put any more than what I have on right now. I'll see you guys when I get back. I bought a single garment rack for like $17. Yeah, I'll invest in a better one later, but this should do for now.
Mm-hmm.